Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Honda Civic floor mats on Amazon. Floor mats shouldn't be an afterthought, even if you drive a Honda Civic. High-quality floor mats provide protection against dirt, grime, sand, snow, mud, and other debris. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Edro floor mats for 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic. The Edro floor mats are designed to fit 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic sedans, hatchbacks, Type RS, and coupes. The package includes 2 front mats and 1 rear floor liner, which are designed to contour to your Civic's footwells. The mats are odorless and provide all-weather protection in the rain, snow, etc. They are easy to clean and feature channels that trap dirt, debris, snow, rain, and other debris. Rugged and durable, these mats are made of TPE, which is flexible, wear-resistant, and durable under extreme temperature fluctuations. The manufacturer also provides a limited lifetime warranty should you notice any defects or damage from shipping. However, they may not fit as snugly or perfectly as WeatherTech mats. What we like about it: odorless, flexible TPE construction, easy to clean, wear-resistant. What we don't like about it: snug but not a perfect fit. Number 2. Husky Liners Weatherbeater Series. Another excellent option is the Husky Liners Weatherbeater Series, which can take a beating like their name indicates. This particular set of mats fits the 2014 to 2015 Honda Civic XX4 Lyra door, but Husky Liners has mats for other Civic models as well. These rugged mats are designed to conform to the wheel wells of your vehicle for a custom fit. The company uses laser technology to ensure a perfect fit. Its form fittages butt up snugly against the door jambs of your vehicle to prevent dirt and water intrusion, and cleats keep the mats securely in place. They are also easy to install and remove for cleaning. One of the only downsides with these mats is they can be a bit slippery because they don't have any grip strips on them. Also, because they're black, dirt and road salt are very visible on the surface. What we like about it: rugged construction, custom fit, cleats keep mats in place, easy to install and clean. What we don't like about it: can get slippery. Color makes dirt and salt very visible on these mats. Number 3. Tux Mat for Honda Civic Sedan 2022 to 2023. What sets the Tux mats apart from other floor mats is that they are specifically designed to fit 2022 to 2023 Honda Civic sedans with rear USB charging ports. These mats fasten securely to a Civic's factory floor anchors and provide custom fit coverage of the vehicle's interior. Made of black vinyl, they are designed for use year-round, trapping dirt, mud, rain, and snow in their channels. They are thick and easy to install and remove for cleaning. The manufacturer also provides a limited lifetime warranty should you experience any issues. Unfortunately, they can emit a strong rubber smell when you first unpackage them, so you may need to let them air out a bit before installing them. There may also be some slight gaps in the rear passenger compartment. What we like about it: easy to install and clean, rugged construction for year-round use, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it: pricey, may emit a strong odor. Number 4. WeatherTech Custom Fit Floor Liner. If you have a 2016 to 2019 Honda Civic sedan or 2017 to 2019 Honda Civic hatchback, these custom fit floor mats from WeatherTech are one of the best options available. You can also purchase these floor mats for other model years. While they are a little on the pricey side, they're worth the investment due to their durability and long-lasting construction. What we like about it: custom fit, durable and long-lasting, easy to clean, keeps dirt, debris, and liquids off the floor. What we don't like about it: pricey, a little stiffer than some other options. Number 5. HD Mart Floor Mat for Honda Civic Sedan. The HD Mart car rubber floor mats fit 2012 to 2022 Honda Civic sedans, depending on the version of the mat. Besides their affordable price, one of the best things about these mats is that they are available in 3 colors: black with a red outline, and black with a blue outline. The colored trim can bring a little splash of color to your car's interior. While these mats are designed for an exact fit, you can also trim them if necessary. These odorless rubber mats are easy to clean using a hose and will not distort in extreme temperatures. What we like about it: custom fit, odorless, inexpensive, heavy duty. What we don't like about it: may get slippery when wet. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.